everyone, welcome back. After the catastrophe of me breaking my pretty magic board, we're going to go over some volume problems here. So the first one, find the volume of a rectangular tank with a length of 6 feet, a width of 48 inches, and a height of 8 feet. Answer in cubic feet, hundredths decimal place. Okay? So we got a lot going on here. So rectangular tank, first thing you're going to do, you're going to find your formula on your formula sheet. Right? Answer in cubic feet. Gotta make sure all my dimensions are in feet. So feet, inches, feet. So I have to convert my inches to feet before I start. But we know how to do that. Take 48 and divide it by 12. We would get 4 feet. So now all of our numbers are in feet. Now we're ready to use the formula. 6 times 4 times 8. And we get 192 hundredths decimal place. As we move on here and on an apprenticeship exam, the expectation is the 0.00. You have to put that in there. Feet, cubic feet. So feet with a little 3. So 192.00 cubic feet. Easy enough. Next one. A cylindrical tank has a radius of 1 meter and a height of 6 feet. Calculate the cubic meters, 2 decimal places. So we're going to look up our formula on our formula sheet for a cylindrical tank, right here, right? Answer in cubic meters. I have a number in meters and I have a number in feet. We've got to get our feet to meters. No problem, you know how to do it. To go feet to meters, we divide by 3.28. We get 1.83 meters. So we know our radius and we know our height. Now you're ready to use the formula. Pi r squared times the height. Pi times 1 times the height. We get a number 5.749. 2 decimal places makes us round that up to 5.75 cubic meters. Done. Next one. The next one may seem a little overwhelming. It is a long formula, but I have the utmost confidence in you. Find the cubic feet of a semicircular sided tank. I want you to think of what an oil tank would look like, with a length of 2 feet 2 inches, a height of 13 inches, and a diameter of 1 foot 2 inches. So again, in this question, find the cubic feet. You know its volume, right? And there's a little helpful hint in this one as well. The width and the diameter are the same dimension. So, semicircular sided tank. I'm looking for my formula on my formula sheet. And here it is. It looks pretty long and ugly, but we can get through it. The second thing, find the cubic feet. Have to make sure all my dimensions are in feet here. So let's see, my length is 2 foot 2. That would be 26 inches. We have to take inches to feet. So we divide by 12, 2.17. Our height is 13 inches. Again, we have to go inches to feet. We divide it by 12, 1.08 feet. Our diameter is 14 inches, 1 foot 2, right? So we divide that by 12. And we get 1.17. The diameter and the width are the same, so it's also 1.17. And your radius is always half your diameter, so we divide it by 2. Now see what I've done here? I've set up all my dimensions, all in the same units. When I do that, then I'm ready to use this formula, okay? So here we go. Pi r squared times the height. Pi times 0.59 times 0.59 times 1.08. Hit equals, write that number down. Now we're going to do the second half of that formula. Length times width times height. 2.17 times 1.17 times 1.08. We get 2.74. Now we just need to add those two numbers together. And when we do that, we get 3.92 cubic feet. And there you are with a big smiley face on because you got that one right. See you in the next video, a little review for test number 2.